How to fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option of Face ID and passcode. Now type in your passcode over here. You'll find this section, Use Face ID for, toggle on for all these options. Likewise, head towards this option of Other apps. Toggle on for these apps as well. Now head back. Now click on this option, Set up an alternative appearance. Click on Get Started. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, click on this option of Reset Face ID. Now click on Set up Face ID. Click on Get Started. After you reset your Face ID, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, hit back, open this option of General. Scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Likewise, head back, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Face ID not working issue on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.